Hey everyone, and welcome back. I wanted to go through the Figma UI and more specifically just the structure of the dashboard area over here. Now, where we currently are is where you're going to land when you first open Figma every single time. Now, you'll have a navigation bar up here. You can search, you can see your accounts that you have connected. You can connect to more than one account, so it's really easy to switch. You can access the community as well. If you're working on multiple teams or if you shared a file that has comments on it, notifications will show up over here. If you want to access more things about your account, you can do that here. Even has a nice link to get the desktop app. You can add your account here if you have multiple accounts, like I mentioned before. You switch them on this side. So I do that really often. I have multiple accounts and I love switching between them, between my work and my personal. So that is the navigation bar. Then you have the sidebar. Now your sidebar is made up of a bunch of different things. You have your recents, where you're going to be accessing all the files that are available to you based off of what you recently opened. You have your drafts. Now these are where all your files are going to live. Now if you don't have a professional plan, majority of your files are going to live right here, and that's fine. I would just name them properly and find a convention that works for you to create a little bit of structure. Because if you do have a professional plan, you'll have the ability to add a bunch of projects and a bunch of files within those projects. Unfortunately, that's a bit limiting right now to the starter plan. A great thing about Figma, and I'll get back to this file I just opened, is you can have favorite files. So if I go back to my recents up here, you'll see that I've starred a couple of files now, 3 files, and they'll all show up here. So if you're working on a file or there's a file that you constantly refer to, that's a great way to just find it in one spot. All this functionality is also within the desktop app. Now these are the files, so you can click them like I did before and open up a new tab, or you can right click them and you can see all the different options available to you. Whether you want to share it, you can copy a link, you can remove it from your favorites, you can duplicate it, etc. You can even start a new design file right from your drafts or your recents, or import a file, like some of the resources we have. So that is the easiest way to do that over here. And that is your Figma dashboard.